Hello everyone. In this quick tip, we're going to be looking at how to calculate the volume of a 3D component. And there's many different reasons you may want to figure out the volume. You may be making molds for something, and let's say you're making molds for epoxy. You may want to know the estimated amount of epoxy you will need. Another thing I've seen people make is molds for like chocolate candy or something, and then you can calculate the approximate amount of chocolate you would need. So this is very simple to do inside of Vectric. So once you have a component created, for example, I have this Christmas tree created and I have it set as one single component. So when you select that component in the component tree, you also have to make sure you click inside of the 3D view to make the 3D view active. And then you just simply click the keyboard shortcut Control, Alt, Shift, and the letter V. And then you can see this box will pop up and it will say the approximate volume of the composite model in cubic inches. And if your project is set up in metric, then this should give you the metric equivalent. Okay, so as you can see, that's pretty simple to figure out the volume. If you click OK, you can also do individual components. So if we turn the visibility of that one off, let's say we looked at just the tree trunk, we can select that component, click inside the 3D view, and then click Control, Alt, Shift, and the letter V. And now you can see the volume has changed to just that single component. So as you can see, this is very simple to do, and it will give you a pretty close guess of how much volume is in that component. So if this video helped you out, make sure you like and subscribe for more.